So, how to design a content marketing strategy for a B2B SaaS. Here is a high-level overview of the system that I use for my clients, and I'll walk you through it. So, content. We need to think a little bit backwards. So, your unique value proposition is what you do, so product, the outcomes that you could realistically get, and the target audience who has certain problems. And the target audience cares about the outcomes that they care about. And if you show that your product can be that bridge to get those outcomes, then life is easy. So in order to do that, you need to break down your product or your offer into several, let's say, steps, pillars, or concepts, call it whatever you want, that people need to either know or know how to do in order to achieve their desired future state or outcome. And each micro step of those concepts is part of your educational strategy, of your educational content strategy. Then, on top of like regular posts or videos, you can also do webinars where you just show that target audience how they can achieve what they want to achieve, paint that future that they so desperately want, then show how your product can get them there. Then at the end, it will be quite easy for your sales team to get a bunch of demo calls, a bunch of conversations, and a bunch of trials. Additionally, something that not a lot of people do is social selling. So if people that are qualified interact with your content, so they comment, like, view your profile, reach out to them, proactively understand what they want, and if it's a match, then you propose to either sign up or have a call to discuss like what they can do about it. So those are conversations. Yet all this strategy lies on one principle. It is the unique value proposition. If it's clear, then everything's good. Like it will all work. And if it's not, then you will struggle as the rest of your competitors do, as content requires a lot of discipline, a lot of content to generate, and some manpower to do social selling. So something that could be done is to also get traffic, so content, SEO, whatever, to a lead magnet opt-in that shows them how to achieve like a certain outcome that they desire. Then they get into a segmented sales funnel that shows them more of a value, more of what they need to hear. So case studies, testimonials, longer pieces of content that gets them to a demo call or to a trial. And then they turn into a paid customer. If you have any questions in regards to what I've been speaking about, or you would want to learn more on this system, then feel free to either comment on this video or to DM me on LinkedIn, and I'll be quite and very eager to help you out.